Andy. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a classic delicious grilled cheese sandwich. Here are materials: bread, of course, butter, and cheese are our main materials. So our first step is putting the butter and then heating it. About this much will do. And then put it inside the microwave for about 5 seconds. Enough for us to smear it across the bread. Cut it in half, and then if you're using like a one-sided bread, you do it on the outside, that the side that the pan is gonna touch, so that it gives it a nice buttery taste and it makes it fry better. Fry or grill better. Like, it doesn't have to be too smooth, so you just have to like easily smear it across the bread. Don't try just like this is actually enough. So just don't try just swirling the butter inside that pan and then just putting the bread on there. It'll not grow as good as the ones on this. Now we can prepare the cheese. So now like you can just actually just make tiny pieces if you can get it off whole. Spread it. I suggest you do like more than one kind of cheese if you can. Also, you can use ham if you want. So, I'm not going to use any ham. So, after you prepare the cheese, just put the cheese on the side to make it easier. Now, we heat it about in the middle, not too high, not too low. So now it's about done. Now we put it in there. Cheese. Up. Now take our but it's kind of bubbling and it leaves a few marks on it. That means it's about done. By about done, I mean like you can flip it over and see how it is. Wait until these goes the red goes golden brown and the cheese begins to melt. Like I put this too early, so it's kind of not ready yet. And then see, yeah. So, if it's getting too slow, you can turn it to high. So it'll go faster. So just try and get both sides the same. Well, that's also optional because I wanted to make it be beautiful. So now just wait until this cheese completely melts. So that's like about now. So take a plate. And just get it out. And we are done. It smells very good.